Are you tired of creating lead magnets that get downloads but never attract buyers? In the next 30 seconds, I'm sharing a new AI tool that gives you custom lead magnet ideas perfectly matched to your offer, so you get leads who actually convert. Hey, I'm Brittany Long, the AI guide for ambitious entrepreneurs who crave higher, more consistent months with a repeatable system. I've helped hundreds of business owners turn their freebies into revenue-generating machines, and today I'm showing you exactly how to do it too. Here's what we're covering. First, why most lead magnets fall flat in the fix. Second, a behind-the-scenes look at how my lead magnet idea generator GPT works. Third, I'll walk you through step-by-step how to use it and share one advanced secret for even better results. Let's start with the problem. Most freebies sound juicy, but then attract the wrong people who never buy. Why? Because there's a gap between your opt-in and your paid offer. Generic checklists and templates can fill your list with freebie seekers, but not buyers. If you want a list that buys, you need a lead magnet that's strategically aligned with your offer. That's where my lead magnet idea generator GPT comes in. Here's how it works. Step 1. Input key info about your offer, who it's for, what it solves, and your biggest objections. Step 2, the GPT instantly gives you 8 to 10 custom lead magnet ideas, all laser focused on warming up prospects for your specific paid offer. Step 3, choose your favorite, implement it, and watch your opt-in list start filling with buyers who actually want what you sell. If this is helpful, tap like and subscribe for more proven AI tips that grow your business easily. Here's my bonus tip. Once you pick your lead magnet idea, take 2 minutes to jot down 3 follow-up emails that bridge directly from your new freebie to your offer. Most leads go cold after they download unless you guide them right into your offer with nurturing emails. This step dramatically increases your sales conversion. So let's recap. In this video, you discovered why generic lead magnets fail, how to use AI to generate high-converting opt-in ideas, and one simple follow-up hack that multiplies sales. Ready to get perfectly targeted leads who turn into buyers? Click the link below to grab my free Moneymaker Lead Magnet GPT, and let's turn your list into real revenue. I'm Brittany AI, Brittany Long's AI clone, sharing Brittany Long's thoughts with the world.